Rider?
I think we're ready. It is currently 3:02. Means it's time to get out of here.
Let's go. We're gonna be arriving at the airport at 4:47. Get us in the mood, we'll listen to some Peaches by Justin Bieber.
Heck yeah.
Shuttle's here.
Shuttle's here.
Cue the trumpets.
We've made it. We've made it to Fun Spot Atlanta.
Yes.
A park that I never thought I would come to be quite honest with you, and didn't know it existed until 2022, 2023 when this ride came out.
Yeah. Did we wake up at 2 o'clock this morning, fly all the way to Atlanta, Georgia, just to get on this roller coaster?
Yes.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did. Will it be worth it? We don't know.
Hopefully we don't regret it.
We'll see. I think we'll enjoy it.
I think so too. Fun Spot Atlanta, they're closing permanently on August 2nd, 2026. And we are here to ride ArieForce One.
Very anticipated to ride this ride. One of the RMCs from the ground up. So it's not a hybrid, just completely RMC'd out of its mind. And it's gonna be pretty fun. I know a lot of people in the coaster enthusiasts say this is one of the best RMCs in the world, so they're a little sad it's going away. So let's give it a shot and we'll let you know what we think.
Yeah, I mean, if it's one of the best, we gotta try it out before it closes, right?
Right. I don't think we're gonna be doing like an all-day pass here. It'll probably just be a couple rides on ArieForce One, but we'll dabble around the rest of the park and maybe we'll end up getting a pass. We'll see and check it out.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna close forever, so might as well see what they have here.
Right. Hello. Can I do 4 tickets for ArieForce One?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, just made it through security. As you can see, we have all of our luggage with us. We literally just got here from the airport. So. However, we did get our Fun E card.
Yay!
It's not funny, it's Fun E.
We're here early. The park doesn't open till 10. It's about 9:45, but he said he'd get us in a little bit early because he doesn't like lines.
So let's go get in line before there is a line. There's a lot of people pulling in.
Yeah. I know there's nobody here, but it does look kind of barren as a park in general. Classic Riptide. Tons of different go-karting areas. I think there's like 4 different go-karting places.
It's like there's like a bunch of different zip lines.
Ooh.
Like up there.
Oh, okay.
Who knows if they're operational or not.
Nice monster truck. Huh. The dinner. It's like Western.
He says the
kinda?
diner. Dinner would be 2 ends.
The diner. It's definitely giving that Fun Spot feel where it's like more carnival.
Yeah. A lot of go-karts. Why are so many go-karts?
I don't know. Good morning.
So far, our park staff has been very friendly.
Incredibly nice.
I mean, I bet they're excited to have people coming in and experiencing it, so that's awesome.
Getting in line.
Let's do it.
Gorgeous day, by the way.
The arcade is where it has ArieForce One souvenirs, so we gotta go check out the arcade.
I could always go for a good pin. I'm a pin girl.
Man, this roller coaster looks so good.
Wow. I like the tiny umbrellas for when you're waiting.
Hey, most parks don't have anything, so that's nice.
That's true, a little bit helps.
Photos.
Listen to that music.
Right?
Which was? Hey, I'm short enough. This is
At the front?
Yeah?
rides on that back in the day.
Stand clear, the gates only go through me. I also scan for supervision.
Please ensure all loose items are stored in the cargo bay or
This is
left
the
with the
first.
non-rider.
This is the front.
Once
No one's in
secured,
it.
keep your safety
Wow.
belts tightly around your waist.
Because I got Maine and Connecticut and New Hampshire to go to.
Prepare for liftoff.
Harness system engaged.
Pour down, pour down.
If I was here the Saturday before, I think
Lift-off sequence
but yeah, I've been
engaged.
trying to get here, and I'll be here for the closing. I was here for the opening, I'll be here for the closing. Yeah, it's gonna be hell then, though. Like
All right.
2 or 3 rides.
Look at the line to get in. All right, let's go. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! Yeah! What? Whoa! Oh!
Yeah.
Wow!
Damn good ride. Damn
Wow!
good. Someone please buy you in
Wow.
Georgia.
Good. Wow.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
I'm clear ready for liftoff.
Here we go.
I'm clear ready for liftoff.
Lift-off sequence engaged.
though. It's gonna pull us. Complete
Right? That's pretty cool.
Oh man. I think we're clear for takeoff. Are we clear?
We're clear.
Okay, we're clear for takeoff. Wow, ArieForce One is nutso. Holy.
Please, somebody out there buy it.
Look at this thing. That's an all-in airtime hill on a bank, outer bank. It's a world-class coaster, dare I say it.
It is so good. I can tell it has the same elements as Wildcats Revenge at Hersheypark because it has those turns and the hang time upside down. But this one, because those elements were so much longer than they are at Hersheypark, it felt like a smoother, more fun ride experience.
It truly did it. It didn't feel like the inversions were like rushed at all. You're just cruising along, getting the airtime, hanging your hands in the air.
Like you just don't care.
It was just it was just a fun ride.
Yeah.
Holy RMC, you made a masterpiece, and it's sad to see this thing go.
You made a masterpiece out of nothing.
Literally.
Literally nothing. You had nothing to go off of. And I didn't realize that it's only 3 years old. I thought it was a little bit older than that. The fact that this is potentially going away after only 3 years
It's
of
sad.
operation, that is so sad.
So happy at least we got to ride it. So.
I am so, one more time. I'm so happy too. only complaints about this ride
Which aren't even really that bad.
yes, are the bunny hills at the end. The bunny hills in the back. I just think they're a little bit aggressive, especially if you're sitting in the back.
It's, I mean, ejector. It's pulling you during those bunny hills.
Yeah.
And not only Jess, but we heard other people in the line complaining about the bunny hills at the end.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, even with that, I should say, it's still S tier, I think. I think it is S tier.
Where does it rank on your scale of RMCs that we've rode so far? Like, where would you place it? I'm gonna say this is probably my third favorite RMC.
I would say probably, I'd say this is a close, this is so close to Wildcats Revenge. Just, it's the two different types of coasters in my opinion. Wildcats Revenge is still my number one. This is gonna be my number two though, however.
We're gonna explore the rest of the park a little bit since we're only here once, and then we're probably gonna hit the road.
YouTube thumbnail.
That's our thumbnail, and then the logo can go up here in the corner.
You hear that, editor?
Whoever the editor is.
Is that close enough?
You look just like it.
Okay, just add an engine on my rear and I'll be good.
Okay. They have merch in here. Oh my god.
Oh, Jess, no.
Oh my god.
No, no.
I love this game.
It's a pretty cool light feature.
Yeah. It's like
Future arcade. Was not expected to see bumper cars indoor.
I know.
I feel like we're not even at the same place we just were.
I know.
This place has ArieForce One.
Oh. My ArieForce One. That's all I need. So this is the outside of that building, arcade, cafeteria.
You may think it's an old rustic themed carnival ride. Just an arcade.
It's an arcade.
So they have a classic Riptide. I'm pretty sure everybody's ridden one of these at least once in their lives, right? I mean, come on. You know, this one looks very interesting to me. The hook slice.
Oh my god.
It's got golf ball themed golf ball themed mechanical arm spinner.
Huh.
We got Hurricane over here, looks very interesting.
It looks so rough.
Got a slide, you got an old spider over there, and that's pretty much it. So I can see why it's
very small. It's very, other than ArieForce One, it's kind of for kids.
Yeah, I would agree.
And like, for as small as this area is, why do you have so many different go-karting options?
It's like for each for each flat ride, they have a go-kart.
Yeah.
So right now, we're actually going to leave the park. We just came here to pretty much ride. We got 4 tickets for ArieForce One. Got front row, then we got back row.
And I'm happy.
And I'm happy. It's very hot. When we said we were gonna hit the road earlier, and we meant it literally, we are going to walk on the side of the highway to go get our rental car.
It's a 2-minute drive or a 20-minute walk. That'd be quite silly to pay for an Uber for a 2-minute drive to the rental place, so we're walking it.
We'll see, it's either a free walk, a $20 Uber, or maybe a hospital bill. We'll see.
We'll find out.
Have you ever been on the bumper boats before?
They used to have some at Knoebels, but I never went on them. I was too small, and then they got rid of them. That line is super long for go-karts.
Maybe we're missing out on something. Maybe the go-karts here are low-key amazing.
Maybe.
Since they've gotten those 2 trains up, it's been about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and you can see that the line's gotten cut down. I think that's just solely due to them opening up 2 trains. It was kind of odd when we were up in the station on our first ride. I heard I heard the train ops, they were both like, please only one train, please only one train.
Hoping we just keep one train. Is that?
I don't know what you said.
I'm hoping we just keep one train.
Goodbye, ArieForce One. I hope to see you soon.
Put this at Knoebels.
Replace the Phoenix.
No!
Just kidding. Don't do that. That was a joke. That was a sole joke. Now it's time to hit the road.
Let's get walking. Oh,
So
that way.
Okay, let's go.
West. And I'm pretty sure the rental is on this side of the road too. So I don't think we'll have to
Perfect.
cross it all.
Perfect.
A few moments later.
It's been 4 days since we've been walking on this road. We found a roller coaster. Finally, Jess said,
Thirsty.
yes, drink some almond milk. How much further we got? She's got the Uber.
8 minutes.
A few inches later.
That is it? Oh my God!
Avis!
I've never been so happy to see an Avis in my life.
I swear to God, if they don't have a fucking car. I don't know, just a thought of mine.
I'm asking, my computers are down. I
Okay.
can't see a reservation. I can't, the only thing working right now is my phone.
Okay.
And anything made after 6, unfortunately, I can't even try to honor because I don't even know, I can't see anything.
Just do like a voiceover or something.
Yeah, I get it. Things to be like that. So.
Thank you so much. They were gonna send us to the airport, but then we were gonna have to pay like $500 more than we originally did.
Oh, the price is higher.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you so much. Thank you, you too.
Oh, is that little white one right there?
Yes.
It's like a your old Ford.
Oh my God.
What happened?
I was joking! I was joking when I said they better have a car! That was the most stressful rental experience we've ever had. And we've had some stressful experiences.
I think it made more stress that we just walked.
Oh yeah.
We risked our lives for this Avis.
I was cooked physically. I was very tired and so glad to be I was so glad to be there finally, but it was not how we expected. Every person we dealt with at Avis was great though.
Very nice.
So
Very nice.
thank you to the actual staff in these physical locations. You have been great. We're finally in the car. We're finally gonna go get some food. And then we're gonna go to the aquarium! I'm so excited!
Thank you everybody for watching us go to Fun Spot Atlanta, as well as our troubles getting this rental car.
Going to hell.
Right. And back. We went
Hell
back
and
down.
back.
We went back down hill after walking up hill.
If you guys are interested in seeing what kind of fun we get into at the aquarium, which by the way, the Georgia Aquarium is the largest aquarium in the US.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. If you're interested in seeing that video, make sure to watch our next vlog and you can see what kind of fun we get into there.
Right, right. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, maybe even leave a comment, and and we'll see you on our next adventure, hopefully at the aquarium, but if not, at some other theme park.
Yes. Stay cool, everybody.
Yeah.
Bye!
Alright, now let's see you try and drive this thing. I got you! Are you okay?